Hey everyone, if Hulu isn't streaming properly on your TV, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix common Hulu streaming issues in 2026 so you can get back to watching your favorite shows and movies. First, make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Yeah, check your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and run a quick speed test. Hulu recommends at least 3 megabits per second for SD and 8 for HD or 4K. Next, close the Hulu app completely and then reopen it. Sometimes the app just needs a fresh start to fix playback errors. If the app still isn't working, restart your TV. Turn it off, unplug it for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This clears temporary system glitches. Check for updates in your app store. Yeah. Installing the latest Hulu update often fixes bugs and improves streaming performance. Also, make sure your TV software is up to date. System updates help maintain compatibility with streaming apps like Hulu. If Hulu is still acting up, clear the app cache or uninstall and reinstall it. This removes any corrupted data that could be causing streaming issues. And that's it. Following these steps should fix Hulu streaming issues on your TV. Yeah, smoother playback, fewer errors, and faster loading. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more tech tips.